join pageants
Casio.
for transgender women like Miss Evangelio.
Casio, thank you so much. I didn't see you. I'm sorry. I miss you so much.
Natural born women to
Good party. It's not a party, it's a
we cannot
pageant.
ng respeto kung ano man ang dapat respetuhin.
It's a pageant, ano,
Ang
Casio.
kababaihan na dapat din respetuhin ang kababaklaan. Ladies and gentlemen, as a transgender woman, pinangarap ko din sumali sa Miss Universe, but nabasaksan niyo sa hindi pwede sumali ang transgender woman sa girl pageant. Thank you. And good evening. Okay, thank you very much and congratulations. So, that was candidate number 9 from Barangay Bonbona. So the competition really is getting tougher. Ang gagaling ng ating mga contestants. So our next finalist is
I think
candidate
Sophia
number
almost finished.
13.
Thank you, my
Let
dear.
us wait for her
Almost
answer
finished.
also. How
Because it's awarding
does she
already.
stand for
Top
this
5
third
awarding.
question? And it's an interesting question, right? So, I think 50-50 rin ang majority. Pwede nga ba? So, let us go on. Our next finalist, candidate number 13. Candidate number 13, na marami rin fans. Hi, candidate number 13. It's nice to see you again. Thank you so much. So, would you like to give thanks to your supporters? Or what barangay are you representing?
I am representing Barangay Zone 2.
Buhay na buhay pa rin ang barangay Zone 2. Are you now ready for your question?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, so please face the screen. So allow me to read your question. In a move to promote inclusivity and equality, a lot of beauty pageants nowadays, such as the prestigious Miss Universe pageant, have allowed transgender women to participate and compete alongside natural-born women. Do you think natural-born women should be allowed to join pageants for transgender women like Miss Evangelio? Why or why not? Okay, so as requested, in a move to promote inclusivity and equality, a lot of beauty pageants nowadays, such as the prestigious Miss Universe pageant, have allowed transgender women to participate and compete alongside natural-born women. Do you think natural-born women should be allowed to join pageants for transgender women like Miss Evangelio? Why or why not?
I do not agree that a natural-born woman will join transgender pageant because we have separated our individualities. We all have differences. We are here to love, to respect, and to gain acceptance. We LGBT, we demand for respect, acceptance, and to be loved here in our society. So why we should allow women here in our society, we are given opportunity to be visible enough in our society. Because in our society, it is our responsibility and it is our obligation to make respect, acceptance here in our existing world. And I believe that if we will allow this, we can demand for that respect and acceptance, but we are here to motivate to believe in ourselves that as a transgender, they should not enter. Thank you.
Thank you very much for that first candidate number 13. So some of them answered yes, some of them answered no. So, but let us wait for another answer coming from candidate number 10. So we are still waiting for them. I'm getting very familiar with the question. Come to think of it, reading it many times. Challenge daw, sino daw gusto sumagot rin?